We have received reports from the Philippine Space Agency at approximately 9 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. There was a deadly portal discovered in space that appears to be absorbing everything in its way. It is expected in a few minutes, this portal will absorb our planet and our entire universe. As a whole, nobody will survive this phenomenon. There is nothing we can do to stop this. Hug your loved ones, keep them safe during this harsh time. There are two aftermaths in this situation. 1. There might be a 50% chance that a new universe will be created. That is the only best aftermath. 2. The worst case, no new universes is created. If the worst case happens, we must prepare for a dignified death. Do not panic. Panicking only makes the situation worse and it could waste your final times here. Do not be afraid for this. Find strength to your loved ones. This is ABS-CBN's final broadcast. We will now play the national anthem.
Kayang magiliw, telas ng silanganan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, kuya ka ng magiting, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisigil, sa nagatak tutok sa simoy at sa langit mo pagkaw.